Financial literacy can give you a great advantage in navigating both good times and not so good times, and is vital in a constantly changing and fast-paced financial world. A lot of people avoid it, and I get it. It is an acquired taste for most. Sometimes finance is the last thing you want to have to think about. Here are several key areas of financial literacy and ideas to consider. Earnings and income. How are they taxed? What is your gross? What is your net? Do you know the difference? Do you know your federal and state income tax brackets? Does it make more sense to invest into your Roth 401k or pre-tax 401k? Spending. Do you know how much you're spending each month? And be honest with yourself. It's very important. Do you have a surplus each month? Can you create one by simply budgeting better? What is the most appropriate use of that surplus? Saving. Systematic, automatic saving is a life hack. Couple that with compounding interest, it is a set it and forget it concept. And the earlier you start, the better that you have because you have compounding interest in your favor. The less you actually have to save for retirement or future spending. Investing. Understand, like saving, time is your friend. Volatility gets smoothed out over time. And know the difference between risk and volatility. Are you making the mistake of investing too conservatively for a long-term goal, or vice versa? Too risky for a short-term goal? What is the appropriate amount of risk for your time horizon? Borrowing and debt. Be very careful with debt. Living the simple tenet of not spending what you have not earned. The detrimental impact of accruing too much debt can be the single most damaging aspect of finance if not taken seriously and not prioritized. Some final thoughts. Be organized. Consolidate your accounts. Check your accounts frequently. Track your income expenses. Remember to create realistic goals and start simple. And always be learning and educating yourself. At Pure, education is really a key principle of ours. Listen to our podcast or watch Your Money, Your Wealth. Help you be more informed and empowered. Our website also has a wealth of information on many financial topics and access to a lot of great free content. Like good health, financial literacy takes some time, some discipline to learn, but the rewards are tremendous.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.